How can companies perform efficiently? Through competent and well-skilled employees. Employee performance is the driving force of success and should be nurtured. To nurture competencies, an effective learning needs analysis is a must. Let's find out how. An effective learning needs analysis is systematic. It carefully identifies areas of development and improvement in employees' current and future roles. Learning needs analysis should begin with a structured development conversation between the line manager and the employee. Begin with analyzing whether the employee's performance lacks because of skill gap or will gap. Skill gaps can be addressed through training, but will gap is a behavioral shortcoming that requires the employee to take additional efforts. Accordingly, identify the most appropriate learning solution to fill the gap. Then think of your training strategy: when, how and who will deliver the training. All you have to do next is to implement this plan. Don't forget to consider the delivery modes. The final step is to evaluate its effectiveness once delivered. During the structured development discussion, always align personal career goals with business objectives. Assess what competencies need to be built. Whether it is analytical thinking, relationship management, client management, or decision-making, and so on. What role is the employee going to fulfill in the future, and is there a gap in the skill set? These parameters should be considered while assessing the learning needs. Does the employee's nature of work require any compliance training? Do consider these factors. By having such a structured development conversation, the manager becomes aware where the employee needs to improve to be able to perform efficiently. The competence needs in the present role. Is the employee competent in all the tasks he performs? Does he need a learning intervention? The competence needs for the future role. Whether the employee needs any HSE training. What is the attitude of the employee towards health and safety? Does he need any formal training to perform his job safely? Is the employee's training compliant to statutory regulatory requirements? Similarly, the structured development conversation makes the employee aware of the business key performance indicator requirements. How does the company measure the employee's performance? Restructuring support required. The support required for the new organizational initiatives. The competence requirements to support a change in the organization. Let us understand how to identify learning solutions. Identifying a learning solution is an important step in the training and capability development process. Planning learning opportunities using the principles of 70-20-10 enables the learning to be more effective and meeting the objectives of learning. See how the 70-20-10 model works. Based on the research, Model 70-20-10 says that 70% of what people learn through on-the-job training includes day-to-day tasks, activities, and challenges. The 20% learning comes through networking with experts, sharing best practices, conference, coaching and mentoring. And about 10% of the learning occurs formally through instructor-led classroom training, e-learning, workshop, seminar. Let's create efficient employees through effective learning need analysis.